This is just a quick video on the application of triangulation within Lebensjahr question. So what I'm working from is the DCG exam 2015, the higher level paper, and I'm just looking at question C4, which is dynamic mechanisms. Now I'm looking at part A for the sake of this example here and the setup of this question. So we have a crank and a slider which work in tandem and both move at the same rate to plot point B. Now we're given the whole setup of the question. We're given the crank, we're given DC here, and point B is going to be the point which plots the locus at which we're looking at the locus of. So this is what we're actually given so far. We're given the crank, we're given this, and we're not given point B. So just look quickly into triangulation first, because it's what we're going to use to find point B. The couple of types we have. So if we're given a line AB as seen here, if we are given two side lengths, we're able to find the third point of the triangle. So for example, AC, the point we're looking for here is going to be C. C is going to be somewhere out here. So if AC is 30 millimeters, if we scribe an arc 30 millimeters from A, we know C has to lie somewhere along a point on this arc. Similarly, if we're told BC is 45 millimeters, if we scribe an arc from B, anywhere along this arc here, we could find C. So where these both intersect here is point C. How do we know this? Because anywhere along this arc is 30 millimeters away from A, and anywhere along this arc it's 45 millimeters away from B. So this is the way we can locate point C via triangulation. This being our triangle we finish with. Just look at this again here. The other method we can use is if we have an angle and we have a side. So given this line AB to start with, if we were told point C is somewhere up here, this is given to us to begin with, and we're told the angle CAB is 30 degrees. So from C out here to B, sorry, that's my mistake. CBA is 30 degrees. So we know this angle here from this line is going to be 30 degrees, given here. So we know along this orange line here, we're going to have point C. And we need something else to specify where along this line it's going to be. So if we were told the length BC is 45 millimeters, so from B to C is 45 millimeters, we can measure along this line 45 millimeters to find point C, which is here. And this being our triangle then. So there are just the two quick ways we can work to find point B, which we're looking for up here. So we're given C and we're given A, and we're told in the question that AB is equal to 112 millimeters, and from C to B is equal to 112 also. So what I'm going to do is measure off 112 with our compass here, and from A, scribe an arc, and from C, scribe the same arc because they're both 112 millimeters apart. Scribing the arc again. As you can see then, where both these arcs intersect, just here, we have point B. And just drawing that then, we know from A to B is now 112 because it lies along this arc, and we know from B to C is 112 because it lies along this arc also. So this is our final point B, which we need to begin completing the question.